So here we are, fourth video of my go-kart, a little short one here. Since the last video, I cleaned the frame up real good, cleaned all these other parts, masked them off, made a bottom plate there that I'll bolt on as a floorboard, kind of. Hung everything up from the ceiling in my garage, and I'll drape some plastic down from the ceiling, make a little makeshift paint booth, and paint it up. Welcome to my paint booth. Let's go check it out. We got everything painted. Now just let it dry, and I'm gonna put it back together. Here we go, finished go-kart. Everything's put back together. I think it turned out pretty good. I guess the only thing I need to do is run the wire there for the kill switch, and it's finished.